Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn some tips and tricks how to copy a portion of Power BI matrix visual data into our Excel. Sometimes we required a data to copy from the Power BI visual to Excel sheet for further investigation or some another purpose. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me add a matrix visual from Power BI Visual Gallery. And now let me adjust the height of the matrix visual and width also. So now from data table, I will add a region as a row. And after that, I will add a country as a row. And here I will add a total sales, sum of total sales as a value and sum of order quantity. And let me rename this and I'll make it order quantity, total order quantity, and here I will say total sales. Rename total sales. Okay. Now you can let me zoom in. So now you can see here in the table visual the region wise total order quantity and total sales. Now let me expand actually. So here you can see the region and country and the total order quantity and the total sales. Now we know that if we'll go here, if you'll click and you can see the export data, we can export the whole table data. But I don't want to export the whole data. I want only this part, the Europe, not North America, not Pacific. So I'll just select this, okay, and right click on this. You will see here option copy selection. Just click on the copy selection and now open an Excel sheet and here just paste. And you can see the region column, country column, total order quantity and total sales is pasted here. So in this way, if you want to copy some part of the data, you can do that. That's all for this video and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.